Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Hariez bin Sakri, and today we are going to present about our group project, which is the application of magnetostatic in our daily appliances. So the appliance that will be discussed in this video is about hard disk drive, which is HDD. So basically, we have of 4 group members, which is I am Mohamad Hariez bin Sakri, then Mohamad Iman Syazwan, then Iman bin Baharin, and lastly Jashveendas. So I will start to the introductions. So magnetic storage is one of the most common types of digital data storage. This term refers to any type of data storage that employs a magnetic medium. Magnetic storage is the most common and durable type of removable storage. So for your information, magnetic storage is a non-volatile storage method. This means data will not lost if the computer is in condition turned off. So magnetic storage is widely used because it is less expensive than other storage in the technologies. So magnetic storage is rewrite. It is possible to reuse the storage capacity by deleting all the data. So that's for the introduction. So I will continue to the problem statement. After reviewing numerous feedbacks from users all over the world, the current magnetic storage device need to be upgraded to make them useful to a wider range of parties. The prototype should be able to store more data and information. So to accomplish this, the standard database capacity in every magnetic storage need to be upgraded until increased to 500 GB of storage. Aside from that, the time required to transfer data need to be reduced in order to improve the efficiency of the new generation of magnetic storage device. So that's all of our introduction and problem statements. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Syazwan bin Mohamad Jaffri, matrix number CE200063. Okay. Today I will present the objective for our project and the methodology. So the objective for our project is to create a prototype that apply the vector analysis concept in terms of electric and magnetic fields to solve. So move on to the methodology. The hard drive is one of the computer memory device that store data in form of bits 1 or 0. Then it uses a concept of magnetism in storing the user data. Two methods of recording data: perpendicular magnetic recording of longitudinal magnetic recording, and it has huge amount of magnetic region at the magnetic planar surface to place the data. So move on to the flow chart. So first, this is the flow chart for the process of write data. So first it retrieve the data, then it convert bits into electrical current, then it flow it into an electromagnet. So next it change the direction of the metal grains, then it stored data, and lastly it convert electrical current into bits. This is the disk structure, and I also include the methods of the recording data. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iman bin Baharin. My number matrix is BE200 Okay, I will present about the prototype analysis and discussion and pro and cons of magnetic storage device. Okay, HDD store data by magnetizing ferromagnetic material in a specific direction to represent a 0 or a 1 binary digit. They read the data back by detecting the material's magnetization. A typical HDD design includes a spindle that holds one or more flat circular discs known as platters, onto which data is recorded. The platters are made of a non-magnetic material, typically 10 until 10 nanometer thick. Standard copy paper is 0.0 until 0.18 millimeters, and outer layers of carbon for protection. the magnetic material in all the discs was iron oxide, whereas current discs use a cobalt-based alloy. Okay, for the pro and cons of magnetic storage device, the advantage using the magnetic storage device is probably the most affordable form of storage per megabyte of storage. Second is large amount of data can be stored, and third is it is possible to schedule the backup to occur overnight or over the weekend. Okay, for the disadvantage, first is serial access can be quite slow to access data. Second is a special piece of equipment is required to record and read the data on the tape. And last is the data may be corrupted if near a strong magnetic field, such as a large speaker or magnet. That's all for me. Thank you.
Salam sejahtera and hello. My name is Jashveendas and N.Kannadhas. My matrix number is AE2028. Today I'm going to present to you my group's prototype. Basically, our prototype is a hard disk. It's a non-functional hard disk. We did it with cardboard and papers and some spray to make it more beautiful. So let's go.
Conclusions. So the overall outcome of this project is we were able to learn about the mechanicals of some magnetic storage devices such as floppy disk, magnetic tape, compact disk, and other else. Basically, a lot of knowledge and understanding can be learned throughout these projects. So this project also important in modeling the magnetic storage device such as HDD that allow us how to build our capabilities by take the opportunities and advantage by investigate a variety issues that relating to these magnetic storage devices, especially in hard disk drive. Okay, so that's all for our group project presentations. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.